Disclaimer: if the ceramics you've seen interest you, contact me on Instagram. The ceramics might still be available. We came with you to the workshop where they make sculptural forms, using paint for them, creating ceramics, so to speak, and various other shapes. Today we're going to make some strange, interesting, unusual, and maybe even ordinary shapes. We'll choose the colors. Some will change their color from the paint once firing takes place. Additionally, it's interesting that you can print long forms on a three-dimensional printer, connecting them to one another. It seems to me that there is a huge field for implementation, for thoughts and ideas. Let's begin. The decoration of ceramic products related to the application of engobe glaze and ceramic paints is mainly done by hand painting and automated printing methods. Mineral paints have long been used as pigments for ceramics, starting with the most common in nature, iron oxide. To apply paints to products, a viscous medium like oils or water-soluble polymers is added to the powder. In my case, it's water. The ceramics I'll be using have a dark background, made from red firing glaze. This doesn't allow for use of the entire color spectrum to create multicolored drawings. The central challenge in making ceramic paints is producing pigments that retain color at high temperatures. Lusters have been particularly popular since old times. They are thin films of metals and their oxides with a distinct gem-like or pearlescent sheen. To create such an effect on glazed fired products, resonates or soap-like resins are used. These are metals obtained by mixing heavy metal nitrates with rosin and dissolving in oil or turpentine. During the firing process at temperatures between 700 to 750 degrees, the metals combine to form thin, shiny films, which is how this effect is achieved. Applying paint in thin layers because of the red clay made them almost unreadable, as if it were on a white uniform, for example. Despite this, I decided to give myself a chance again and decided to focus not on color, on interesting shapes that can be created from plastic clay. Plate with an ambiguous meaning for candies due to the easy application of almost no showed all the beauty of the colored glaze. For this reason, there was a second painting, as I think, in which I again regretted a sufficient amount of paint. But any experience is an experience. The first time it turned out significantly. Of course, better, guys, you are ready to see what happened. Improve your knowledge, study, explore art, creative success. I wish everyone who hears me